Hello, everybody. Welcome to the CCCU Assembly. It's the week of the 15th of March. We made it through the first week back from lockdown. We're into our second week of in-school learning, which is absolutely wonderful. We know what we're aiming for at Grange. We want to be caring, great caring attitude. We want to be trying our best. We want to be always learning. When we make mistakes, it doesn't always feel nice, but we learn from our mistakes. We go for improvement and progress. It's not about how well you do, but are you continuously improving and making progress? We use what we learn to help us to make great choices, better choices as we go along in life. We never give up because we are CC learners. We know that it's important to eat well, sleep well, exercise well. PE, so important. We know that physical strength, so that is really important, but we know that the true strength is our attitude, that we are always trying to be our best, to be continuously becoming our best. That is character strength, and that's what helps you, because life is full of problems. As you reach a problem, you ask yourself, which character strength am I going to use to deal with this problem? And then, like the whole world now has just been through a massive problem of coronavirus, of a pandemic. And yet, here you are, children, sitting in school. You are the survive and thrive generation. You are the bounce back kids. You know that kindness is strength. And when we work together in the CC way, we absolutely amazingly succeed. So the character strength focus of the week, and hopefully there'll be class charts points awarded this week, is appreciation of beauty and excellence. Last week we spoke about prudence. That's when you think about what you're doing and you think about the consequences and you make a good choice. That is to be prudent, to have prudence. Now, this is all about appreciating beauty and excellence. So when you see somebody around you who does something really great, a lot of skill, a lot of talent, really great action, sometimes we can get like all insecure, we can get jealous. Oh, I wish I was like them. But actually, character strength is you see somebody do something great, you say, well done. And that inspires you, and you become even stronger to do something brilliant. You see something wonderful around you, you don't start thinking about, oh, but the thing is, you see something wonderful, you say, how wonderful. That is incredible. So appreciation of beauty and excellence. I'm just looking at this child's face. They're just having a good time. They're not worrying about being insecure, jealous, anxious, worried. What does it mean? You see something wonderful. You see somebody doing great stuff. You get inspired by it. You recognize how wonderful it is. You appreciate beauty and excellence. That's our Grange CC way. Confidence and consideration, that's our philosophy. So who are our gold stars of the week? Bouncing in is Masood, Grace, Ikram, Haida, Maruna, Faris, Alfie, Lena, Kavish, Tebarek, Stacy. Well done, everybody. Grange House of Water, Kavish, Ikram, Sakina, Grace. Flying in is Agash, Abdullah A, Pharrell, Aliyah, and the swivel goes to Amira. Well done. Grange House of Fire, Yamindi Vinaya, Princess Haida. Flying in is Vishwesh, Shana, Farhad, Saraya, and the swivel goes to Mirthiga. Well done. Grange House of Air, Imran, Jackie, Jaden, Abdullah D, Faris. Flying in is Masood, Krasian, and the swivel goes to Ajay, and Shravan Tide, and Nicoletta Tide, and Diraj Tide, and Blessing Tide. Well done. All swivels, most swivels we've had, I think, ever. Grange House of Earth, Diction, Divian, Lena, Wasim, Race, Evelina, Alicia, Stefania. Flying in is Jabril, Aitan, and Danusha gets a swivel, and Lion gets a swivel, and Zohaib gets a swivel. I don't know what, it's multiple swivels this week. 17,380 brilliant points. Classy classes, Luther King class, Churchill class, but the swivel goes to the mighty Mandela class with 1,515 points. So we set ourselves a target of 50,000, almost there. We're going to smash it. We've had Freddie, we've had the reindeer, we've pot plants. I sent an email to Mr. Hutchinson, Ms. Paddy, and I'm going to get that sorted out. This half term, it's messy, paint handprints on the service wall outside the year 6 and 5 classrooms. So sign up for the quiz, please, everybody. Let's be great. Let's be great. Let's appreciate beauty and excellence. You see somebody doing something great? Well done, and mean it. You see something wonderful? How wonderful, and mean it. Live your life with confidence, consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's appreciate beauty and excellence. See it inside ourselves and around us. Well done.